Hey gang, Dr. Tech back at it. Sorry for the absence. Issues with YouTube's infringement of my own material. Those buggers. But anyway, we got a couple product reviews in the pipeline. We got the Blue Yeti. We got a PC build that you'll love. Some new parts, some new tech. And right now we're featuring a little walk in the park with a pooch. The lovely pooch is Duke. And we're featuring the GoPro Hero Session and the GoPro Hero Dog Mount. And we're more focusing on the dog mount right now, but we're also testing the Hero 4s. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, share with friends, and be sure to check out our free game giveaway on Gleam. Details can be found on Twitter or our Instagram app. Be sure to follow and share there with friends. Stay blessed. Share the love, friends.
Cooling off.
Hey.
The skitters are bad, Duke. The skitters are bad, I'm sure you noticed. These fucking horseflies are even worse. Look at that bugger on the lens. Look at it. Get out of here. The flies are terrible, folks. Yeah, go for it. You following me? Come on. Come on, baby. You can go. Go. Come on, puppy. Come on, son. What's up? Get it. You tired? What a beautiful night in here, folks. Apparently Duke just wants to film me. He's the cameraman. He's given me permission just to film away. It's actually kind of nice, you know. Man's best friend, they say, right? So, Dr. Tech here, just out for a beautiful stroll. Dookie, just give him a look up there. What's up here? Show them up here. What's up there? Come on. Yeah, what's up there? That's the Springland Golf Course. Quite nice, actually. Beautiful thing. Quite warm though. 30s. Come on, dude. Anyways, as I was saying, beautiful night out, some folks out strolling, people out playing golf. A little warm though to do any activities. I think kids have been stuck inside because of the heat advisory. Listen to those birds. Dookie likes the birds, eh? He destroyed his chicken the other day. Wasn't able to catch it on camera. Chicken? Yeah, he gets excited for that. See if we can get him to splash around the water. I think we'll take the reins again. Take control of the camera. Hey, come here. Dookie, come on. Back again there, folks. Let's get him swimming. Good little swim, you cool off. Good boy. Just keep going. Come on. Anyways, it's like, who wants to work, right? Enjoy nature. Be like animals. Why be slaves to man? Working modernized slavery is a paycheck because it's invented. They invented money, and now it's not slavery. So it's slavery. Should be out just enjoying nature as it's meant to be enjoyed. Especially with all the crazy stuff going on in the world, and these shootings in the States. One, it's like, when are you gonna get gun control? Two, when will the media stop thinking cops are like the gods of everything? They're no different. It's still just a man. Man in a uniform, a man in a janitor's uniform, a man in a construction uniform. It's a man. Men can make mistakes. So to hold him unaccountable for shooting people and murdering people, it's crazy. Now, enough of this nattering. Back to enjoying nature. It is, yeah. So he likes to swim, so it's interesting to see.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, cool.
Hey, you. Hey.
It's just like a little harness for the GoPro. So,
Sure. Yeah. Same idea as you wearing it for snowboarding or whatever.
Exactly.
Cool.
Exactly.
Wow.
I have them for everything now.
What do you think of those birdies over there?
That's exactly what it was before. Have a good night, folks. There you go. Dr. Tech at it again. Not even making a video for you, but there's a little product review. The GoPro Harness. Not a bad harness for a dog. You gotta adjust it, but I mean the dog moves around a lot. So not going to put stuff down, right around his body. And stuff with it. Wild ride. He's a wild ride. Hey, why are you so slow for me now? It's like I'm talking to myself here. I'm trying to talk to the camera for the people. Give them a little review about your GoPro harness. I mean, give it three stars out of 5. 1.5 thumbs up, but 2 thumbs up, 20 thumbs up. We can talk review systems later. But like I was saying, moves around a lot in his body, but has to stretch for a dog's body. You catch him?
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Good.
Kids out catching these Pokemon Go's. I mean, not even paying attention to this beautiful nature. But actually pretty cool. I always thought that was, you know, it's a neat idea. You're in your environment, why can't you catch something? You know, you can do a virtual treasure hunt that way too. I've heard there's been problems with the Pokemon Go. Like people not paying attention to nature, people walking to neighbors' yards and stuff like that. Interesting stuff. Hey, no. And then there's another example of one of the issues with the, I guess, see it's one good thing, the mount and everything is flexible. See, nothing broke here when he rolled on it. But that being said, it's problematic on his back. You get a much stabler view though of this platform, especially when he's sprinting. Like dogs move around a lot, so it wiggles a lot. Doesn't have a front back to keep it from sliding and whatnot. Sorry, pup. Yeah. Yeah, it's when he rolls on it. It's better when it's on his front. But that being said, we can't. When he's swimming, all you see is a gray, murky video. You don't really see him too much. I mean, if the water was nice and crystal clear, which is not the water here. So we're up at the provincial park in Total Warrior somewhere, or down south in Turks and Caicos, or we just don't happen to be there right now, Dookie. So you can't really have the mount on the front. I mean, you get a stable picture, which is great because that's like being on our chest, you know, it holds it straight, like coming down the shoulders, holds it nice, and stops it from being rolled on. But swimming, you don't see anything. This beautiful lake view. We'll go one more swim and we better go home. that, folks, we'll end today's presentation, product review, GoPro Harness for dog, 3 out of 5. Not bad. Dr. Tech checking out. Much love.
Remember to like and subscribe, share with friends, check out our Twitter page for game details.